I'm in India from the Coleman Crew as well as the Coleman Crew kids. I am in Walmart picking up some groceries, y'all. It's the end of the month and we are low on vegetables, fruits, and a few little refrigerator items. So I'm about to flip the camera around so y'all can see what I'm picking up. So I got these energy boosters for me and my husband. I got some vegetables, cucumbers, green beans, a salad mix. We tend to let these go bad by the refrigerator getting cold, so I'm only getting one. Need some more bell peppers, onions. Got some lemons to make some tea, some oranges, tomatoes, and berries. So y'all know we love bread. So this is the bread we get. And I try to stock up on the bread. I'm getting 4, 5, and then where's the other kind? The small, then the large. You get 2 of those for like sandwiches. So that's all the bread right here. And then, y'all, my husband loves these, y'all. So y'all, these the sub rolls right there, sweet Hawaiian sub rolls. They even have the hot dog buns, y'all. I'm about to call my husband to see like how many he want me to get, cause normally I get all of them. So y'all, I got 2 hamburger buns like that and 2 hot dog buns as well, and 6 other sub rolls. I'm waiting on them to come open up the milk thing over here for Ira. Got a baby, y'all. Y'all, I done burned me some calories. I'm hot. Y'all, I've been sitting over here for over 10 minutes. I find that it's very ridiculous that you have to do this. I know people steal milk, but it's crazy. Like, all these workers just steady passing by and ain't nobody paying. I done seen 3 people that stopped them and still waiting. I find that it's very inconsiderate, you know. Yeah, I don't know what this guy sells, but it's pure motivation, whatever it is, pure motivation. Shipping out orders. So y'all, this is stuff I already stocked up. I didn't get anything other than those pickles. Those are all the breads, the waters, snacks. Can y'all get back? Watch back. That's not a banana, that's an orange. That is the potatoes, the juices, and drinks and stuff down there. This is just me showing you guys how I've stocked up on all of our cabinet items, as well as canned goods and other condiments. So yeah. This is deep freezer number 1. And this is deep freezer number 2. All the meats and stuff is down there. Trying out some new ice cream. So yeah, that's it, y'all. What you doing?
Let me take.
Drink it. It's medicine.
No, you played us. Mama played us.
I promise I'm not pranking y'all.
You laughing.
It's tea. Drink it. No, for what?
Because you were trying to prank us.
I'm not pranking you.
You laughing.
Drink that tea. It's medicine. Avery, y'all stop. That's the same stuff that Ivory make, y'all. Now stop.
I know she makes some tea, but I don't drink it.
It's good for you.
I don't like tea.
Get your lit drinking on tea ass back up in here now.
If I was old, I would still not drink it.
If you was old, you still.
I drink coffee, not tea. I drink coffee.
I don't know, you like it?
No.
What?
It got the
Okay,
no,
that's the same way Ivory made it. Yeah, man, they don't know what they talking about.
What?
How you made it?
The same way Ivory made it. Other than I put the ginger root and some tea bags to help your daddy's antibiotic. The tea bags is in the trash.
No, I see tea bags. But why do
It's good. Huh?
That's alright.
It tastes like the one Ivory made to me.
Mama, what is this?
Go. Hey, go Ariel. Go, Avery. Go, Avriel. Go, Isla. Oh, look at them girls. Look at them Coleman girls. Go, Iris. Go. Oh, look at them Iris twins. All right, I see you. Oh, girl, you cutting up. Hey, what the? Birthday girl tied. All right. Now, she got to jump in. Go, Ira. Go. Hey. Birthday girl clothes is there, Minnie Mouse. And the girls has little dresses. So this is the birthday girls side, which is Avery. And then there is Ivan's. His little gift back there. Today is not his birthday, but we are celebrating with the birthday girl. Let me see, girl. Let me see you. Celebrating 2 birthdays in one day. 2 birthdays in one day. Where the birthday girl at? Right here.
And we birthday.
Where's the birthday boy? So today is not your birthday.
Do it, save it.
Do that.
Now blow.
Yay!
It go 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you. I thought she was about to bring in New Orleans.
Happy birthday to
Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to Ivan. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old you be, boy? 5.
No, 6. I just said 6.
2.
No. 5, 6, 3.
How old you about to be?
Make a wish.
Make a wish. Don't burn your
Don't say
hair.
it out loud. Don't say it out loud. Say it in your head. Let me know when you're finished.
What you want, boy?
Both.
Don't burn your hair now. Don't make your hair catch fire. This boy is on fire. April, really?
Boy is on fire.
Yeah! Her son.
What they said it was?
Hours.
How do you feel?
Stomach flu.
Huh?
You got Papa game. Power Ranger.
You like it? Let me see.
That's what
I
was.
have to.
So girl, I did a self-care today and did my nails right. I did my toes too. Oh, Avery's trying to show you hers. Avery's, wait a minute, Avery's coming off. It is Ariel's. Her toes, it's just like this. But anyways, girl, you know what? I'm about to pop these things off. My finger already is sore. It's hurting from the old nails. Just look at this shit. It ain't even been 2 hours.
Yes, girl, I'm cooking up some of these red beans. You want some?
Yeah, let me taste it. Let me see what you're working with.
All right. Make sure you got some juice on there. A little bit more juice. All right.
All right, let me see. Blow it because it's hot.
Yes, girl.
You missing something.
What?
Let me help you.
Oh.
You missed the Tasty Touch seasoning.
Oh, that's what y'all use?
Yes, in everything. This is all you need.
Oh, put some up in there for me.
All you need is a little bit.
All right.
Now taste it.
All right. Let me give me a little something in here. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Taste that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Taste that. Give me some of that.
Give me some of that taste that. That seasoning. Tasty Touch. It tastes so much better now.
Y'all heard it here first.
They so pretty. Let me see your toes, girl. They got glitter on them. They so pretty. When your birthday? No, it's not. When your birthday? Tell Ivan when your birthday. Tell him, Avery. He say your birthday June the 5th. When your birthday, girl? Say June the... Tell him. June 10th. Big girl. Give me 5. When your birthday? When your birthday? Avery. When your birthday? Iris, when your birthday? June 10th. When your birthday? July? July what? July what? On the table. That's not your stuff on the table. When your birthday? July 13th. Yeah, how you gonna be? Big boy, give me 5. How old you gonna be? You gonna be 3?
Yeah.
When is your birthday? Boy, your birthday. And that is a wrap for this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell on to see you in the next video.